Ever wondered how AI can suddenly grasp entirely new domains, like medical papers or legal documents, without being retrained from scratch? It's like teaching a dog to fetch a frisbee after it's already mastered fetching a ball. But what if the dog could learn to adapt by borrowing skills from other dogs? That's the breakthrough behind this research, a technique called model merging, which lets AI systems share knowledge across tasks. Let's unpack this. Imagine building a robot that needs to handle multiple jobs, sorting mail, cooking meals, and translating languages. The old approach was to train one model for everything, but that's like trying to master piano, coding, and rock climbing all at once. It's inefficient, slow, and not very smart. Enter the Select and Merge (SAM) framework. Think of it as a library of specialized AI experts. Instead of forcing one model to be a jack of all trades, SAM picks the right experts for the job, like hiring a chef for a restaurant, a doctor for a hospital, or a translator for a conference. And here's the key, it doesn't retrain them. It merges their knowledge on the fly. So how does SAM find the right experts? It starts by analyzing the fingerprint of the task. Imagine you're a detective solving a case. Would you trust a detective who's only solved bank robberies, or one who's tackled everything from missing pets to cybercrime? SAM does the same. It looks for models with similar experience to the target domain. Then it tests them with sample data. It's like hiring a chef. You don't just look at their resume, you taste their work. SAM samples data from the target field, lets the experts cook, and picks the ones that deliver the best results. The result? A model that's not only smarter but scalable. Add an expert for a new domain. Done. Remove one that's not useful. Easy. No more grinding through retraining. And the proof? Our tests show SAM outperforms old methods by 10% on average, sometimes up to 20%. This isn't just about better AI, it's about smarter AI. By learning from specialists instead of forcing one model to be everything, we're unlocking a future where AI adapts faster, costs less, and works better across every field. Want to see how this plays out in real life? Hit subscribe, and let's dive deeper into the science behind the magic. Let's talk about a game changer in AI efficiency. Picture this, you've got specialized AI tools, each great at one thing, like identifying medical terms, spotting movie titles, or decoding legal jargon. But what if you could combine them into one super smart model without hogging all your storage? That's exactly what this research did. By merging adapters into task-specific models, they achieved top-tier performance, sometimes even outperforming old methods, while only using double the storage. That's like upgrading your phone's speed without buying a new device. Here's how they did it. They tested their model on everything from biomedical papers to social media chatter. The numbers? In legal documents, their model nailed 84.79% accuracy, way ahead of the competition. But here's the kicker, it didn't just stick to familiar tasks. When asked to analyze movies or restaurants, completely new territory, it still pulled through. How? By flexing its adaptability. Two strategies were key. First, domain similarity. Think of it as pairing experts who have worked on similar projects. If you're analyzing science texts, you grab adapters that love biology. Then there's sampling evaluation, a more experimental approach. It's like testing different combos in a lab, seeing which mix works best on random data samples. What did they learn? Using 2-4 adapters usually worked best, but the strategy mattered. Domain similarity stumbled when data was too similar, like too many science articles, while sampling evaluation rolled with the punches. Together, they proved that one-size-fits-all doesn't cut it. Flexibility is the secret sauce. So why does this matter? Imagine AI that's not just powerful but practical. Researchers, developers, and even curious folks like you could deploy smarter, faster tools without massive resources. It's a step toward AI that's not just smart, but wise enough to handle the unexpected. Next time, we'll dive into how this could revolutionize everything from healthcare to everyday apps. Stay curious, because the future of AI is still being written, and you're part of the story.